I thought everything was really physical with me, and I had no idea how connected it was to the emotional and to the trauma that I have experienced. At 17 years old, I watched my father die of a massive heart attack after kissing him goodnight. And I lost my best friend and my protector. And from that moment on, that made me predisposed for substance abuse. Because all of the vivid flashes and memories and smells started to haunt me. I couldn't seem to escape, and it was intruding on my life. The relationship between the Black community and the healthcare system is fractured, afraid of being treated poorly and demonized, and dehumanized and stigmatized and marginalized, and all those things that we have as a history as Black people. And our people are dying at alarming rates because we are afraid to go to the doctor. My father, first heart attack he had was massive, and it took him away from me because hypertension damaged his heart. He was at the doctor sometime when it got bad, but most of the times he didn't want to deal with it. Born in 1918 in Georgia. Can you imagine why he didn't want to go? But here's the thing. I work with a lot of good doctors, so I know there's good people. Good doctors, good nurses, good medical assistants, good front desk staff. When I was coming here at first, and just seeing my primary care, I would always look over at the doctor's office, my psychiatrist's office. So I knew that she was here, but I hadn't decided if that was something I wanted to do. But the flashes decided for me, and I ran into her office after I made an appointment, and I had been crying like every day, all day, and I got it together to come to the appointment, and I sat in a chair, and she said, "So what do you want to talk about today?" And I booed for 45 minutes because somebody was asking how I felt, what I wanted. I needed somebody in my corner that didn't have a dog in the fight, that didn't say, "No, it didn't happen that way," or "Get over it, suck it up, buttercup." I was embraced, and I could speak to anyone from the front desk staff to the custodian, to the security guard. He's awesome. All we are seed planters, right? And I plant seeds, and I advocate and I promote self-advocacy because somebody planted seeds in me, right? And I took all of that, the seedlings they poured into me, and I saved them up until I was ready and felt safe enough to recover. And now I'm taking some of the stuff that my mother planted in me, and my sister and my father planted in me, and I'm planting it in other people, right? That is the ripple effect. We have to pour into each other.